how to buy Agent S token. So this token came under the symbol of S. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply the goes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits you get in the description. So before going on about this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. Make sure to check their Telegram too. They include it on their X account. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. This token is trending number 3 on the screener under the SUI blockchain. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token is under the SUI network. Now open your wallet. For that, I will use the Bitcoin wallet. Now select the SUI as a network from here. Now click on this plus icon, paste the token address here. As you can see, this our token. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find the token that you just added. So this is, now click on it. Now click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and type how much you want to buy. But before that, make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now this is how much you will be able to receive of that token. After that, it's easy and simple. Click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Agent S token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe so you make this video.